Well, guys, I'm very happy because you have to listen to what I have to tell you today. I'm on my route to 2 free speakers, because I just woke up. And because I was editing till up in the morning, and it is now 12:30 in the afternoon, and I saw an ad. Free speakers, free, gratis, my friends. But the ad was placed 7 o'clock this morning. So there was a phone number, and I called the guy. I asked the guy from what exactly are these speakers, because I did not. He had a very dark picture on it, but I saw they were big. And I asked the guy. He was working. I asked him what kind of speakers are they, and he told me these are do-it-yourself speakers. So he built them himself 10 years ago, and he used only new drivers. Everything is new, the filter is new, and he used only Wharfedale quality. And he told me, so I asked him, okay, are you home so I can film? So you can explain my audience what exactly are these speakers. And he told me I'm home at 6:30, so you can come at 6:30 and make your video. But then my friends, what happened? And I asked him, are they still there at 6:30? Not that another guy comes and pick them up. Well, he say there was another guy who was also interested in these speakers. He called me before you did, and he told him, well, I will see when I come by, when I come to pick them up. And I say, well, then I go immediately when his wife is home. His woman is home, and I go drive immediately. I don't wait until maybe 6:30 is too late and I miss the speakers. So the thing is that these speakers weigh 80 kilo, according to him, 80 kilo a piece, because he used 22mm real wood. And my friends, I'm alone, so I'm not sure how I can carry 80 kilo speakers to my car. We will see. But at the moment they are in my car. They are mine. I can always find a guy, some help, from one of my friends or family members who can help me to bring them upstairs. But this week my upstairs hallway is completely full. I bought some speakers, 2 pairs of speakers and some other stuff, and after 4 months doing nothing, because all know the story. I was upset and I was disappointed that my channel would die out because of this email. But I'm so happy that I had the green light from my lawyer, not my lawyer, but the guy who helped me, and I'm so happy that I can finally score and make my videos again. And I'm very curious how this do it. Probably the sound is even better than my own Heiko speaker. Probably, I'm not sure. But do it yourself. Everybody who have experience with do-it-yourself speakers know how good these speakers in the end are, And this guy told me these speakers are fantastic sounding. Only his woman wanted them out. You know how women are. Not every woman, of course, but some women don't like speakers. And if you have speakers from 80 kilo a piece, well, I can understand some of them, I mean, it is not a woman's hobby. So it is my luck. I'm curious. Okay, probably they don't look. They are in the garden, and it rained. So I'm not sure how long they are in the garden, and if the drivers are now wet. I'm not sure what maybe they covered it up, because yesterday evening and also this morning it rained. So I'm not sure what to expect if I arrive in this guy's house, in the garden. But his woman is home, so she can open the door for me. And it is just, it is 5 or 6 kilometers from my house. It is close by, my friends. This is a very fast drive. That's why I was interested, you know. I see often in the Netherlands, I see often free stuff. Often free stuff. Free to pick up, you know. But, you know, often I'm lazy to drive 50, 60 kilometers. And I know a lot of you guys, especially those guys living in Australia, they think I'm a big joke, because when I complain about 100 kilometers, yeah, they don't understand me, you know, because for those Australian people, 100 kilometers is nothing. But I don't like driving cars, to be honest. I never loved driving cars. So, but this is close, and that's why it is something I never had before. I never had a do-it-yourself speaker. Never in my life. So this is, I'm now in a crossing. Well, guys, these are the speakers. These are the speakers. Unbelievable. And I can tell you that I'm very happy. I'm grateful that the woman from the house had the nerves, the courage to bring these speakers outside at the moment this guy was a weekend gone from the house. So she asked her son, can you help me? And together with her son, she brought these speakers outside the house. He had the nerves, even without asking him, you know, to bring his speakers, his self-made, do-it-yourself speakers outside. And everything is from Wharfedale. Everything what you see is Wharfedale, original Wharfedale. He bought them brand new. He calculated the filter, so everything is correct in the speakers, he told me. And not sure why these are 3 bass woofers, but he told me they go low about 57 hertz. And that I don't understand, because if you have 3 bass woofers or 3 woofers, why only 57 hertz? But okay. We have to see when I tested these speakers out how they sound, but the drivers are looking okay, you know. Anyway, I'm not sure how I'm going to bring these speakers to my car, because I have to pass his old Jeep. What's this car, my friends? What's this car? What's this car? This is a Jeep Wrangler, and as you all know, Jeep Wranglers are vintage cars. They are very expensive, because you don't have them that many. Not maybe in America, but in the Netherlands, this is a very rare car and expensive, very expensive. And this is his hobby car. He have a normal car, another car, you know, for daily life. But this is his hobby car, yes. And his speakers are also his hobby. And I'm so grateful to this woman. You know how women are. Not one woman will tell her husband, I like these speakers. Every woman in the world would say, ugly speakers, bring them outside. But how many women have the nerves without permission to take them outside? I can tell you that are not, those women are hard to find. They have the nerves to bring your do-it-yourself speakers outside the house in the rain without protection. So well, the guy accepted. If you love your woman, you accept. You know, you accept her choices. But if I can give you an advice, if you still have to marry a woman, you know, before you put on that ring on that woman, you know, that golden ring, you tell her, there's one condition. Woman, there's one condition. I'm gonna marry you, but never touch my stereo. Only for playing, but never take it in your house to sell them or to bring them outside, you know, when I'm not home, you know, because we make these decisions together, you know. But this woman was so smart. She knows exactly. That's a nice cat. That's a nice cat. And a woman knows exactly that someone, if they make this discussion, she will always lose. So she had the nerves to take them outside, and I'm very happy. I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky that I have these speakers now, my friends. What's the back side? What's the back side? 80 kilo. 80 kilo. I think they are 1 meter 10 high. Yeah, 1 meter 10. Maybe 115. I think 115. 3 bass woofers. What I don't understand, he told me they start with 57 hertz. How can speakers with 3 woofers like this start with 57 hertz? Not sure, but he told me the sound is fantastic. Even I just talked with the lady from the house. Even she admitted that the sound is fantastic, but she told me they are so ugly. And well, ugly. I'm not sure. How many of you think these speakers are ugly? I mean, I could live with them. I could live with them easy, you know. I think I would. I think the outside, this color is a little bit outdated. I would make them white or black. You know, I would put a new veneer on them, or maybe not veneer. Maybe give them a finish with lac. Just paint them, you know, because it is MDF wood. It is MDF wood. I think I would paint them. I think I would paint them. Not a. I don't think I would do a veneer job, because veneer is expensive, and I never veneered, so I'm not sure if I would manage that, if I could do that. I think I would paint them completely white, take off the veneer, and paint them completely white. In my case, yeah, because I'm fond of white speakers now, or black. But with these speakers, you can build parties, my friend. You can have parties, you know. Finally, my Bryston, because I still have that Bryston. Yeah, my friends. I buy these things to review, to buy, to review and sell again. But that Bryston, hard to let it go. So I think 2 times 250 watt is the exact amplifier these speakers need. The exact amplifier, because these monsters, you can fill a discotheque with them. With these speakers you can fill a discotheque. And I'm so happy. Gratis for free. Can you believe it? In the Netherlands. Well guys, I'm back in my car, and as you see, the back of my car is empty. And that is because I placed one speaker in, and then I thought, come on man, Andrew, think. I almost break my back. These speakers are really 80 kilo a piece. My own Heikos are 43 kilo. So I think, okay, what you gonna do? I drive home with these speakers, and then I have some help to take them in my apartment, but then I have to go to that stair, that round stair, to my living room. I don't know if I can manage this 80 kilo downstairs. It will damage my walls, you know, and maybe I will get a hernia in my back, you understand, for these speakers. And then I have to film them. They will not stay in my house after the video. Of course, I will have to bring them up again upstairs, you know. And so I told the woman, make some better pictures, because there are lovers, but you have to have a ground floor house for these speakers. These speakers are impossible to carry on the stairs. 80 kilo, my friends, 80 kilo a piece. I thought I went crazy for only one speaker. And now I know, I learned my lesson, that in the future, if I saw some beautiful speakers, what is my max? I will never buy speakers from 80 kilo. Because those Wilson speakers, some of them are 80 kilo a piece, even more, and even some BMW speakers I saw, many speakers are over 80 kilo. So I know my max is 50 kilo max, 50 kilo, 50 is okay. But I learned my lesson today. And because I thought, okay, I can manage that 80 kilo. What's 80 kilo, you know? I'm not a weak guy, my friends, but I can manage it. I thought that I could manage it. Lucky for me, it's just a short drive and a lesson I learned, and that speakers from 80 kilo are a little bit too much for my for my car, for my house. You understand? And because if I only buy these things to review, so I have to take them downstairs. And at a certain moment I have to bring them upstairs again when I want to get rid of them. The drivers itself, if I would take the speakers just take out the drivers and the filter, I could resell only those drivers and filters for a lot of money, I know. And then threw away that wood. But yeah, I told the woman, you know what it is? There are a lot of guys who don't have money to buy speakers, and they will love these speakers. Make another guy happy. Why would I take apart these drivers from these, you know, this guy built fantastic speakers, only they are not meant to be for me, you know. And so, you know, you have to be smart, my friends. If you ever see speakers from 80 kilo, 70 or 80 kilo, think twice, really think twice. I understand this woman 100%. I mean, these are monsters, these are Goliaths, the Goliaths from the speakers. But I think I missed, what I don't like is that I could not test them out for sound, because I think these speakers sound fantastic. Once you connect these speakers, they sound fantastic. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I'm sorry that in the end I did not take the videos home for testing for you and for myself, of course. But you learned, I learned a lesson, and I hope you too. I mean, the hobby have to stay the hobby, you know. And this is serious. If I would take these speakers, probably I would end up with a hernia in my back. Are speakers worth this hernia in your back? No, my friends. Keep it cool. Keep it light. 40, 50 kilo maximum. 80 kilo is for rich people who can hire, listen good, who can hire some guys to do the heavy lifting job, you know. For these persons, they can afford these expensive speakers. But I'm 59 years old. I do not take the risk for my back that I will end up like an invalid, you know, with a hernia in the backside, just for some stupid speakers. Let's be honest. So that's why I decided to leave them. And the woman was not upset. She understands me completely, and I'm sure another guy will be very happy with the speakers. Well, thanks for watching. Put those thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Ciao, ciao.